there, everyone. Anne got herself another Stitchfix box. Yes, this is box number 10. My main goal with this box was to see if I could get some denim shorts. So we shall see what they sent. Oh, this is exciting. And we have a link down below if anyone is interested in trying Stitchfix. It will save you a styling fee. Yes, so let's move right along and see what they sent. Okay, I'm gonna sit over here and watch. These are from Flag and Anthem. They barely make it in the screen, but that's okay. That's one of the things I was looking for, was some shorts that come down a little longer. These are a size 12 to be exact. Everything she sent me for shorts is in size 12, and every top will be a medium. These are $59.50, and they do have pockets in the front. They're kind of small, but that's okay. They have pockets in the back. And at first they seemed a little tight, but I've had them on for a few minutes and they seem to have a little stretch to them. So this could be a winner first try out of the box. This next one is Can Jenny high-rise pleated mid shorts, and they are $48, and let's just say they're on. However, they are barely hanging on, because as the saying goes, Houston, we have a problem. They are that much too big. I could almost fit a camel in here with me. So, yeah, I don't think these are going to be a keeper. And to size down, I might not. I don't know. That is an option. You can ask to size down, but if that other pair looks like it's going to work out, that would be sufficient. But yeah, we've got this much extra space in there. So I don't think these are going to be a winner. I will say they have a much deeper pocket to them. Let's hold them up. Let's not have a problem. The back pockets are false. They're a very nice, pleasant denim material. It's just way too big. This next one is Studio Blue Maven high-rise utility short, $58, and according to what the stylist wrote in her note to me, Studio Blue shorts are both fresh new arrivals, so you'll be among the first to check out the style. Well, I can tell you, they're on. I can barely breathe, but they're on. As is often the case with sizing and brands, a 12 in one size, or what, a 12 in one brand, I mean, might fit, might be too big, might be too small. It's all over the place. These are on. They have a interesting pocket arrangement. You have pockets here, and then you can get into it. I don't know if it's really designed to be that functional. There is another pocket down there. So that is interesting. The length is good. It's just they're on, and heaven forbid I should gain an ounce, they'll be busting at the seams. So I don't think this one is gonna be a keeper. This is the other pair of Studio Blue Clarita super high rise. at $54. And as you can see, they start to zip, but there's no way to get them closed. These are not going to fit, which is a shame. These are kind of a cute style. The front pockets are the equivalent of what a back pocket would be. So, I mean, I gotta hold them up so they don't fall off, but I mean, it's a good sized front pocket, and there are no, as I grope around, there are no pockets in the pack. But these, I think if I pulled at it, I could probably get them to close, but it would not be comfortable, and I don't want to rip their shorts that I'm gonna have to send back. So at the moment, it looks like of the 4 shorts that were sent, hold my britches up so they don't fall off, we have a 1 good possible. For me, that's a win. Finding pants and shorts that fit can be a problem. So at the moment, we've got 1 possible out of 4 shorts. This next item is from Fortune and Ivy, France, flutter sleeve blouse, $39. The color is adorable, although I have several in my closet that are essentially this color. I do like the flutter of the sleeve. This is tempting. This is tempting, yet I've got a closet with about 4 that are already this color. Do I need a 5th one? Do I need a 5th one? It's nice. It fits well. This is the waistband to the shorts that I think I'm going to keep. So this is the waistband, so it does come down long enough that if I did have leggings on, that my tush would be somewhat covered. So that is a possibility. Yet, do I need another one of the same color? Next up, from Bobo, we have the elbow sleeve button front top, $37.97. I'll be honest with you, in my opinion, this looks like a pajama top. I'd rather spend my money elsewhere. It's a pleasant enough material. The sleeve length doesn't bother me, yet it's nothing spectacular. Like I said, to me, this looks like it could be a pajama top. What do y'all think? You seeing anything you like here? Be sure to be commenting down below. I think Camel may have even fallen asleep. On to the next top. Next up is the El Serene Ella Flutter sleeve knit top, teal green, $38. It's a cute enough pattern in the front. I do kind of like this way that it has a detail at the front. The sleeves, not much of a flutter if you ask me. And the sleeves are itchy. So this one will probably go back. The length on this was nice. Tucked it in if you need to. Leave it out. Decent length. But the top, the sleeves, and part of the back here is, I don't want to say it's a mesh material, but it's a mesh material and it itches. So for me, this is going to be a no. And last but not least, we have also from Le Serene Tate V-neck blouse in dark pink for $39. Now we're talking. This sleeve, get my hair out of the way, this sleeve detail is my concept of a flutter sleeve. So I'm definitely liking the sleeve. I love this color. Very nice, very nice. Good length, because here's the waistline. So good length for shorts. And actually the back does come down a little bit to cover one's tush if I had on tight shorts or leggings or something. Nice neckline that if I lean forwards a bit, I'm not having the girls come out. So yes, I think this is going to be a winner, along with the shorts that were Flag and Anthem. So we've got two things out of the box that are winners. Oh, that was an exciting try-on. I wish they made clothes for camels. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty and how the box works, as we said, we have a link down below if anyone wants to try. It will save you, I believe, $25, which covers your styling fee. I lucked out on this box. They gave me a box without having to pay a styling fee. When you pay a styling fee, if you don't pick anything in the box, they get to keep the fee. But if you pick something, the styling fee goes towards your purchase price. And if you want to return something, they do send you a prepaid envelope that is big enough to hold everything that they've sent you. So they're not trying to snooker you into have to buying something because it won't fit in the return bag. So they pay the postage to you, and if you return anything, they pay the postage going back. That is nice. And my stylist, her name is Tara. I've had the same stylist all along. I think she's done a great job finding shorts for me, especially like denim shorts, or I want to say slack shorts, if you know what I'm talking about. That is hard. So if we did the stylist's subtotal, we have a total of $373.43. Now, if you buy 5 or more, because yes, they've increased the number of items that you can get. If you buy 5 or more, you get to take 25% off. So if I were to buy 5 or more from this box, I would be saving $93.37, bringing my total down to $280.10. Which, considering that we were talking, was it 4 shorts? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4 shorts. Some days she forgets how to count. Oh well. You know, those are pricier. So that really wouldn't be a bad overall price. It's just I could only find one that fit, which, like I said, finding shorts that fit me is sometimes often a issue. So I'm happy with what I found, and we hope to see you in another video. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all of that fun stuff. We're trying to build up the channel, you know. And like we said, give our link a try. It will save you your styling fee. Hope to see you soon.